Here's an actual path.
It's very hard to get through that one. Fucking cello.
Life is over. Okay, we have Brony. Like, I don't know. Like, next king. Let's go on Facebook. Excuse me. That'd be really horrible.
At the age of your happy days, 10 years, last year today, tomorrow may be shiny, and today's a loose day. But come on, girl, it's just the thoughts the way you used to smile and walk. He asked you if you are okay with the hoof of the bread from Sunday, 'cause the snowfall stopped him from getting it fresh. And then it melts, and then you hear the hail go hitter, pitter, patter. Hitter, pitter, hitter, pitter, patter. Roller coaster burning through the great days of love. Up, down, down, brings it all around again. Don't ask yourself so many questions. You give the answer anyway. So please stop asking, is it true love, when you say that your previous lovers did it differently. When you make it so, don't let it spoil your little hitter, pitter, hitter, pitter, patter. Hitter, pitter, hitter, pitter, patter. Turn away and see if you turn. Turn away and see if you turn. Turn away and see if you turn. Turn away and see if you turn back. Turn away and see if you turn. Turn away and see if you turn. Turn away and see if you turn. Turn away and see if you turn back. Hold up for me, love. It's raining. Please, just finish me. She was my best friend. She's great class. We actually are going to be driving past Mattress Mick.